Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Pureology Serious Hair Care or Hair Color Care Perfect for Platinum Reconstructive Repair Mask for color treated hair with 4 or more levels of lift. It's 100% vegan ingredients, and it has an AntiFade Complex. This particular one is 6.8 fluid ounces. Some of the benefits to this conditioner: designed for blonde, highlighted, and highly lifted hair types, and protects color treated hair and strengthens to prevent breakage while enhancing brightness. Now, I highlight my hair frequently. I'm a natural blonde by birth, but have to get it dyed every couple months so I don't have roots. The key technologies are breakthrough strengthening technology with protein-rich Caravis, nature's most powerful anti-breakage hair fortifier, provides internal and external strengthening, while the AntiFade Complex prevents color dulling and maintains vibrancy. It has a signature aromatherapy blend of pear, peony, and vanilla. It smells heavenly. It says you're only supposed to leave it on for, 5 minutes. I actually will wash my hair and leave it on overnight and then rinse it out in the morning. So just put a towel on your pillow and put your hair up in a bun, and it works really, really well. Brightens the hair. It doesn't fade the product. I'm super happy with this product. I really enjoy using it. I think that if you are a dyed blonde, this is something to add to your beauty arsenal. It's a really great conditioner. I'll show you the texture. It's a nice creamy texture like that. Almost feels like a moisturizer, but see how it doesn't absorb into the skin. It's just really for the hair. I found out about it from a friend, and I've been using Pureology products off and on for about, I'd say, 15 years or so. So this was something that I found that really helps and works super well. Yeah, I highly recommend it. Like I said, leave it in overnight. It has a really great effect. You'll notice the difference right away. You'll see that the hair is much shinier, stronger, and you always want to be conditioning. ABC, always be conditioning instead of always be closing. And yeah, it's the best thing for your hair. I've heard, to use avocado, I've used many different deep hair conditioners, avocado being one of them. Egg whites is the simple one if you want to use that naturally, or coconut oil, which I find not to be the best thing for my hair particularly. It's the Pureology Perfect for Platinum. I give it 5 stars out of 5 stars, and I think you should try it out if you've got highlighted hair, or you dye your hair all blonde, which is actually if you bleach it, you definitely need a product like this in your life. And so give it a try. Don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.